Smartphone cameras nowadays are getting more and more advanced every year on capturing not only images but also videos. But, sometimes some of smartphones that we have encountered, especially mid-ranger ones, doesn't have any optical image stabilization or even electronic image stabilization. For creators out there who doesn't want to invest so much on expensive cameras but still does want to produce cinematic and professional quality footages, we have something for you. What's up guys, Earl here with Tech, and we have the iSteady M6 Gimbal here in our studio today, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. At first glance, it does feel very rugged thanks to that combination of rubber, high-quality polycarbonate, and aluminum on gimbal itself. We do love the somewhat orangey accent all around. We think it's a nice contrast here. Up front, we have a decent LED display so you can check the mode you are in, your battery life, and if there are latches that you have forgotten to unlock. Below that, we have the joystick for the manual tilting mode on the other side, along with the record button and zoom wheel below it. On the right side, we have the power button and the Type-C port for charging and connection. Meanwhile, on the left side, we do have the roll and focus dial and buttons for A and B motion, in which performs motion time lapses. At the back, we do also have the reset button for when you want to reset the axis of the gimbal. Checking out the gimbal itself, it has locks for when traveling and adjustment rulers to balance your device. The phone mount, on the other hand, can be tilted landscape or in portrait orientation, which is good for you TikTokers out there. Mounted magnetically on the gimbal is an AI tracking sensor, which is gesture controlled and follows you smoothly anywhere, keeping you in frame. The sensor also includes a small RGB LED for illumination, which is controllable and adjustable via the control wheel. The AI tracking is also conveniently gesture controlled and worked as expected without any delay. A red and green indicator lamp informs you when the gesture control is activated and then locked. Balancing, on the other hand, is very easy. Just set your desired orientation, putting the phone on the mount, and if you feel like it's unbalanced, you can have it adjusted through the roll access arm. Now for battery, the iSteady M6 has 2,600 mAh capacity, which lasted us a full day of use. Now to take full advantage of the iSteady M6, you do need to download the HOHEM Joy app. You can use the gimbal without the app as long as you do have a Bluetooth connection. Although the app offers much more features like manual focus, zooming in throughout the gimbal, just to name a few. Unfortunately, we didn't have a chance to test out the fill light with AI vision sensor, but if you happen to purchase with one, what it does is it will actively track your face so you're always on the frame. Perfect for those live streamers and online sellers out there. Now for modes, we have PTF or pan tilt follow, L for lock mode, in which the 3-axis gimbal are locked, POV mode, which follows the gimbal handle and can rotate at any angle, and finally PF for pan tilt. Overall, we didn't have any issues when using the iSteady M6 gimbal. It will definitely step up your contents as it will surely look professional. The only gripe that we have is the HOHEM app, as it sometimes fails to connect to the phone, but nonetheless, once both of your device and your gimbal are connected with each other, everything will run smoothly. With a price tag of $209.90 or approximately 11,500 pesos for the HOHEM iSteady M6 kit with AI magnetic tracking, it is without a doubt one of the most competitive mobile stabilizers you can get in the market right now. So what do you guys think about the iSteady M6? Are you getting one for yourself to step up your content creation game? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and visit HOHEM for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.